Want to create a video animation like this? Let's get started. First, import the footage you prepared into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio. And remove the original sound if your footage is audio. Move the playhead to the part of the video where you want to create the freeze frame. Then trim the clip. After that, click Freeze. Next, go to the Effects menu and add a blur effect above the frozen clip. Now add another footage clip on the top layer, aligned with the frozen clip. Trim the clip to 6 frames. Change the scale to 50%, then move it to the top left corner. After that, duplicate the clip 3 times. Replace each duplicated clip with different footage you prepared earlier. Create a freeze frame on the last clip. Next, duplicate the last clip and place it on the top layer aligned with the frozen clip. Move its position to the top right corner. Duplicate it 3 more times. Then replace the clips with a different sequence of footage. Freeze the last clip again. Repeat the same process for the bottom right and bottom left positions. Adjust and trim all clips so they end at the same point. After that, duplicate the very first frozen clip and move it to the top layer. Go to Remove BG and select Auto Removal. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your video animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.